Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, today is June the 5th, 2025, and we're just now getting our corn planted. It has been so wet and rainy and cold that we're just now getting it in. The fertilizer has been put in. It's a balanced 10-10-10 fertilizer, and it's going to get mixed into the soil here. So we expanded the garden up on top of the mountain this year, and this was just done 3 days ago. So 3 days ago this spot looked like this with all the grass, and it got all tilled up, more fencing put up, but you can see where the original garden was and where the new garden starts. Corn seeds look like here. Now these are treated. Here you can see here what corn seeds look like. These are treated. They do recommend that you wear gloves for handling this, or that you wash your hands afterwards because of what it's treated with. It is a poison that they treat it with. So we go about 12 inches apart on this. You can use your foot as a measure here, you can see. So we're really late getting our garden planted. It was cold, so much rain, so we're just now getting it put in. The garden was expanded, it was made larger this year. So this will get covered then, and I will show you here how we cover it. And you can see here different planters, they do sow their seeds differently. So this is another row over here. This was planted by somebody else. And you can see how close these are together. You can see how far apart these are over in this row over here. So this is getting covered here. The soil was amended with horse manure and 10-10-10 fertilizer. And that was all mixed in. So, my dad said he wasn't thinking when he put the rows of corn here, this tree here, because we expanded the garden out, it is now really close to this tree, and a coon could climb that tree and get into the garden. He was saying it's harder for them to climb the fencing, but it's going to be easy for them to climb that tree. So that is something we are going to have to watch out for to make sure that the coons don't get in and destroy the corn crop, because in previous years we have had where vermins have gotten into the garden down in the hollow garden and they destroyed the corn crop. So I'll have a video that you can click on at the end of this video that shows how we dealt with the critters. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!